Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. We're in San Diego again at the Cabrillo National Monument, and we're doing the Bayside Trail. It's 2 miles. Going to enjoy the nice, cool weather. It's only 70 here. Got San Diego in the background back there. And we're just going to enjoy the day. Okay guys, I'm checking my camera right now. As you can notice, I got blood all over my elbow. I got blood on my knees. I got one of these. I just took a downer in a hole in the trail because I wasn't paying attention. I hit pretty hard. So I'm good. We're continuing. Enjoying the weather. Oh, and the most important thing about my fall is my camera got damaged. It's all scratched up now. But check this out, guys. We've got a sailing ship going out. Check this out, guys. This is a spotlight. It's called the Night Watchman. This is with a generator for the spotlight. Used to be. Don't know if there's anything in there, but let's check this out. Don't know if there's anything in there. Don't even know if you can see through the windows, but it's pretty cool. Check this out. It's a sealed up cave or something. Not sure what that's about. But from here, you can see the generator. Oh, sorry. Generators over there. That right there is a spotlight. And it would come out on tracks so that they could watch the harbor during World War II and World War I. Having fun, Susan?
Yeah.
So we just spotted some either dolphins or whales right off the coast here. Tried to get some photos of it, but they're being chased by a boat. So guys, this little point of land right here, that's where Cabrillo had landed in 1542. And look at it now. We got San Diego, Chula Vista, we got Mexico. The monument's right up above us. I'm gonna go check it out now. I'm gonna hike back up. This is the end of the trail. From here on, you go on to military land. This is all naval land after this here, so not allowed to go. But it's a pretty nice trail. It's getting us out of the heat of the desert. Spotted some dolphins out by one of these little boats out here. He must have been feeding them because they were jumping all over the place. So we're heading back up. It's a short hike. It's only like 2 miles. but it was fun. We get to enjoy the coast. Got to see some dolphins. Now we're headed back up. It's all uphill from here. Maybe I won't fall this time. Would have been cool to get that on camera. You would have just seen the dirt just poof. So guys, I'm back at the scene of the crime. This is the hole I fell into. You can almost see my body mark as I hit the ground right there. Poof. Okay guys, we're almost back to the top, back to the road. It's only a 2-mile hike, but it's nice. Got to talk to one of the docents. Very nice guy. He's the first official recipient of the new Love to Wander sticker. Okay guys, we're done with our hike, but we are here at the Cabrillo National Monument. So we're gonna go check out the lighthouse.